Macedonian home cooking is a delicious adventure in bold flavours. We met a lovely lady named Lena who showed us how to make a traditional Macedonian dish called Tavče Gravče, which means baked beans. First up, Lena washes the beans, which she says are done in the olden way.
I do it in a traditional way. I'm not doing it in a modern way.
Then she prepares bay leaves, dried paprika and onions. She adds a whole bulb of garlic and pops it on the stove to cook for 20 minutes. In the meantime, Lena prepares pork chops, which is a key part of the dish. But she says you can use other meats too.
With the ribs, smoked ribs, or with the prosciutto, or with the sausages.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Lena checks on the beans and adds a little more water to help them soften.
Then you add some ribs inside and let boil for maybe another 1 hour. Lid no need to be closed all the way.
She removes the bay leaves, peppers, onion and garlic and mashes them with a fork before returning them to the pot to simmer for a little bit longer. The ribs are removed and Lena adds stock cubes, vegeta, pepper, dried mint and paprika. Then checks if they need salt.
Perfect. No more salt.
It's time to transfer the beans to Lena's beautiful terracotta pot.
This is Macedonian made. This is traditional. I'm going to transfer to the terracotta.
Lena makes a quick roux from oil, flour and paprika.
And switch off straight away because the paprika gets burned.
She pours it over the beans, creating this beautiful rich colour. Now it's time to make the meatballs. Lena begins with pork mince and chopped onions.
Now we added salt. I put black pepper. I put white pepper. Tomato paste.
And of course, mint and paprika. There's also bicarb to help tenderize the meat and an egg to help bind the meatballs. Lena soaks a slice of bread in milk, then breaks the bread into small pieces and adds it to the mixture. Now it's time to bring everything together and make the patties. Lena fries the patties in hot oil and the kitchen smells so good. It's time to assemble the Tavče Gravče.
We put the ribs, kofte inside.
Beautiful golden Tavče Gravče is ready. Time to set the table, cut the bogacha, and cheers with a little homemade pear liqueur.
When guests come into the house, you entertain them with the liqueur. This is a traditional as well.
Živeli! Here comes the Tavče Gravče and it smells amazing. Lena, thank you so much for cooking this absolutely divine meal for us. So let's dig in and ya zdravje, jedenje, to. If you'd like to make Lena's delicious recipe, search for Tavče Gravče on bestrecipes.com.au.